Welcome students, welcome to Shorab sir classes. So this question I'm solving from the ISI admission test for MTech programs, and this question is from 2022. So the question number 16 is saying that for alpha belongs to this real space R with alpha is not equal to 0, then what will be the value of this integral? Minus infinity to infinity x e to the power alpha x minus 2 mod alpha x dx. So this is the integration given. You have to find the value of this integral. Right. So now we have this condition that alpha is not equal to 0. Then we have an option. Suppose if we consider this alpha is greater than 0. Okay. So then what will be the integral? How it will look like? Let's take this. Okay. So the integral will be minus infinity to infinity. It is given. So it is x of e to the power alpha x minus 2 mod alpha x dx. It is given. So from here we can write minus infinity to 0 x of e to the power alpha x plus of 2 alpha x dx plus 0 to infinity x of e to the power alpha x minus 2 alpha x dx. So it is simply nothing but minus infinity to 0 x e to the power 3 alpha x dx, and it is 0 to infinity x e to the power minus alpha x dx, right? If we do the integration, so it will be, first of all we have to write this. So it will, if we do the integration, x of e to the power 3 alpha x by 3 alpha, where it is from minus infinity to 0, then we will have this minus integral minus infinity to 0, it will be 1 by 3 alpha e to the power 3 alpha x dx. Okay, so this will be the one, plus from here we can write that x e to the power minus alpha x by minus alpha, so from 0 to infinity minus integral 0 to infinity e to the power minus alpha x by minus alpha dx, right? So here we can, from the after simplification we can write it will be nothing but minus of 1 by 9 alpha square, it will be e to the power 3 alpha x 0 to this minus infinity minus of 1 by alpha square, it will be e to the power minus of alpha x 0 to infinity. So if we solve this, it will be simply minus 1 by 9 alpha square minus 1 by alpha square. So if we simplify this, we will have 8 by 9 alpha square. Okay, so this is for alpha greater than 0. Now if we solve for this alpha less than 0, then we will have this integration. So rewrite the integral. So we have minus infinity to infinity x e to the power alpha x minus 2 mod alpha x dx, right? So we have this. So we can write this as minus infinity to 0 x, sorry, so it will be x e to the power alpha x dx plus 0 to infinity, so it will be x e to the power 3 alpha x dx. So from here we can write again this, it will be simply, if we simplify it will be minus alpha square, it will be e to the power minus alpha x minus infinity to 0 plus 1 by minus of 9 alpha square, so it will be e to the power 3 alpha x 0 to infinity, right? So from here you can get minus of 1 by alpha square plus of 1 by 9 alpha square which is simply minus 8 by 9 alpha square. Alpha square is always in the denominator. So what will be the value of the integral? Now if we find, let us show the value of the integral. Okay, so it will be simply 8 by 9 alpha mod alpha inverse. So which means that, so it will be 8 by 9 alpha to the power minus 2 if alpha is greater than 0, or minus 8 by 9 alpha to the power minus 2 if alpha less than 0. So what will be the correct option? Let us check with the option first. Okay, so for question number 16, the correct option is D, 8 by 9 within bracket alpha mod alpha to the inverse.